Hey guys, it's Am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get those $100 Amazon gift cards for free, so you can get anything in your mind on Amazon for free without paying anything. So stay tuned to know how to get those gift cards for free, and like this video if this video is interesting. I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned. Alright guys, starting off with this tutorial, I have a new iPhone and I'm going to show this tutorial on it because the iPhone that I showed you in the beginning of the video is actually done, so I'm going to do this on this video. So everything that I mentioned, the links are going to be in the description, so make sure to open them so you can do the steps with me and hopefully succeed in this tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the link in the description, and once you're there, it's going to take you to your browser, and after that it's going to take you to the App Store to download an application called Blue. Now once you install that application, I will show you what the next step is. So make sure to wait for the application to be downloaded, and after it's downloaded you can have the next step easily done. So I hope you guys first of all help me reach 1000 likes, because it will mean the world to me, and if you guys help me reach 1000 likes, that means that you guys like this video and I will try to do more of these kind of videos. So just like I said, wait for the download to be complete and then open the application. It will automatically go to the link that's going to generate or give you the gift cards, and that's a website called AppBounty. Now once you're in the website, make sure to click on get started, and if it asks you for a code, for an invite code, make sure to type in the codes that's shown to you on the right side of the video, which is clylfvkq. If it doesn't ask you, just continue with the startup and the sign up, and once you're done, you're going to be shown to this screen, which is a screen where you can finish tasks and download applications. Now by doing that, you're going to earn codes or credits. You're going to use those credits to generate gift cards for free. Now just like you saw, I almost got, I think, $2,000 of Amazon gift cards, and I used that to buy an iPhone 7, which is the one that I'm holding. And just like you saw, the application or the website will give you apps and it will ask you to download them. And once you download the applications, it will give you the amount of credits that the website says. So for example, it's going to tell you download this game and get 250 points. Now you're going to download that application and run it for 30 seconds or 1 minute, and you will get 250 points. Now what you're going to do with those points is actually getting gift cards. Now just like you saw on the iPhone 7 Plus, I have almost 300,800 points, which equals to, I think, $800 of gift cards. So you can do the same thing by downloading applications and finishing tasks, so you can generate and collect credits. And then once you finish collecting the credits, for example, you have 3000 credits, you're going to go to the AppBounty website, and there's a tab where it says rewards. Just make sure to click it, and after you click it, make sure to choose your country. As you can see here, you see in front of you there's a tab called reward. Now that's the place where we're going to get the gift cards. As you can see, once you're here, make sure to choose your country, and my country, or the best country to choose, is US, because you can get all the gift cards available to you if you choose the country US. So make sure there's that tab on the left side, make sure to choose the country. Just go to down where it says US, just like I'm choosing here, and once you choose US, you will have all the gift cards shown to you. We have Amazon, iTunes, anything that crosses your mind. So just continue for the Amazon. For example, let's say you downloaded applications and collected 3000 points. You're gonna use that 3000 points to generate a $5 gift card, which is going to take 2700 from your points. Now the more applications you download, the more points you're gonna have, and that means the more gift cards you're gonna get. It's that easy, guys. You can do this on multiple phones, you can do this on Android, and I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. But first, let's finish the iPhone tutorial. Now you're gonna go and collect points and then generate gift cards. It's that easy. There's nothing difficult in it. It's really easy, and that's how you do it. Now, just like I said, this is my iPhone 7 Plus, and I've been doing this on this iPhone for quite a while, and as you can see in front of you, I have 380,000 points, and you can see all the gift cards that I've redeemed, and you can see that I can redeem more gift cards if I want to, but I'm just gonna collect the credits for now because I don't need them. If I want a new phone or something, I'm gonna buy it and redeem the gift cards with that. And After that, we're gonna go to the Android tutorial, and that's it. You're gonna go do the same thing. You're gonna go to the link in the description. Make sure to do the link in the description, and it's gonna take you to the link in the browser, and then it's gonna take you to the Play Store. Just make sure to install it. I'm gonna fast forward because I don't want to make this tutorial very long. So after it's downloaded, just make sure to open it the same way you open the other application, and just like I said again, make sure to use log in now and create an account later. Just make sure to log in, and if it asks you a code, make sure to also type the code clylfvkq, because that's going to finish the tutorial for you or finish the sign up for you, and it's going to give you an extra 50 points as well. So just like I said, it's the same way. You're gonna download application, collect points, and use those applications or those points to redeem gift cards. Just like I said before, the more points you collect, that means the more applications you download, and the more points you collect, you have more gift cards generated to you. Now once you get those gift cards, it's gonna be a 12-digit number. How are you going to use that in your Amazon account, or how are you going to use those codes to buy objects or products with it? Now that's easy. I'm gonna show you that as well. Now let's say you generated a $100 gift cards and you got the 12-digit code. I'm gonna head to Amazon on your mobile on your browser and show you what to do. So make sure to watch this as well so you can be able to put that redeemed code into your Amazon account and buy things. Alright guys, so now we're on our computer. Now I'm on a Mac, but this works for Windows as well, so don't worry. You just need a browser. You can even do this on your phone. So you have to go to the Amazon website. You can go to Amazon website by typing amazon.com, or you can open the application of Amazon on your iPhone or on your Android device. Now once you're here, make sure to sign in to your account. And after you sign into your account, I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm just going to sign in really easily. And then you're going to go to the same place that you signed in. Go to here and go to your account. Okay, so now I'm in my account. Now once you're here on your account, you need to go down, and once you're here, as you can see, you will see the an option says gift cards, view balance or redeem. Just make sure to click it here, and once you're there, you're going to go and click on redeem a gift card. And once you're also here, you're just gonna type in the code that you get from the AppBounty website. You're going to type it here as well. So I'm just gonna paste it really quickly, and this is my $100 credit card of Amazon. So after that, you're just going to press on apply to balance, and you will have $100 redeemed to your account. And it's that easy, guys. So that's how you get free stuff from Amazon legally. And it's really easy. You just need to download applications to collect points and then redeem them to gift cards. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.